Did you come across iPhone 15 front camera having pink lines and looking for fixes? In this video guide, learn what are the ways on how to fix front camera turning pink or showing lines on iPhone 15, 15 Plus/15 Pro phones. So let's go ahead. Method 1. Restart iPhone. You should restart your iPhone once, as it's a simple and effective solution to resolve any glitches on the device. After you turn off your device, wait for a few seconds and again restart it. After that, check the issue. Method 2. Clean camera lens. You are also suggested to check if there is any kind of dirt or debris in the front camera. If so, then this can be the reason for the error. So you should clean the lens of front camera with a clean cotton cloth. Method 3. Update camera app. First, launch App Store on your iPhone. Now, click on Profile icon. Then, search Camera app in search bar. Here, check if there is any update available and then tap on Update option. Now check if the error is resolved. Method 4. Update iPhone OS. Just open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General. Now, tap on the Software Update option. After that, download and install the latest version, then check your iPhone front camera is working fine without showing any lines. Method 5. Use Safe Mode. First, switch off your iPhone. Now, switch it on again by pressing Power button. Next, when your device lights up, press Volume down button unless Apple logo appears. Finally, Safe Mode appears when your iPhone is booted up. Method 6. Do Factory Reset. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Now, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, select Erase all content and settings and enter password when asked. Finally, tap on Continue and erasing process will start. Method 7. Contact Apple support. If nothing works for you, then it might be a hardware problem. You should contact official Apple support, link provided in description, or take your device to Apple Store, link provided in description. The professionals will check and try to resolve the front camera problem. If your phone is under warranty period, then it will be repaired for free.